to this heart of mine. You'll be my Valentine in the summer, in the summer. You are my only one, just dancing, having fun.
Good morning everyone. So it's day 2 here in Tonsai. Just woke up now. As I mentioned yesterday, the electricity goes out at 6 AM, so yeah, we had no fan or anything, but luckily it's not actually that hot. I think the limestone mountains protect us from the sun in the morning, and it's kind of cloudy, so I guess that's another reason why. So as I mentioned yesterday, I think today we're going to be walking to Railay, the next beach up, the popular beach. Check that place out. Just gotta have breakfast first, wake up, have some coffee, and then we'll head there. Not even sure how you get there really, but yeah, we'll find out. Alright, so we got our pancakes here, nice coffee and mango shake at a really cool spot, chill out bar. We're on our way to Railay now. The food portions here at this place have been like crazy. Like basically leave like super full every day. Carol, you couldn't even finish yours, right? Carol had to give up. She couldn't finish the pancake. Same yesterday as well, like so much food. So yeah, that's pretty good. And I think there's a pathway along the beach, so that's what we're gonna try and do anyway. Yeah, so at the end of the beach, there's a stairway here, and this is the way to get to Railay. So you can see once again another insanely beautiful beach here. It was actually quite easy to get here as well. It only took like 10 minutes, wasn't too steep or anything, just very humid, so definitely need to get in here. It's full of jellyfish here, so I gotta watch out. Really warm once again. Wish it was a bit cooler. Still nice either way. Jellyfish. I think it's okay here. You can see there in the background you got Tonsai Beach where we're staying, so yeah, that gives you an idea of how close we are really. And you probably remembered yesterday I said we first wanted to stay in Railay, but then I think the cheapest place I saw was like $80 a night, but a lot of the places here are like $100, $200 a night because they're all like fancy resorts. So that's why I ended up staying in Tonsai for $20. Obviously, if you've seen the place, $20 might seem expensive for some pretty rundown wooden hut that doesn't have electricity all the time and no AC. But you're basically just paying for the location, I guess. So that's why it's so expensive still. But yeah, that was like the cheapest place all around here. So if you're on a budget, that's the way to stay around Railay for cheap. What do you think of Railay so far?
Oh, it's beautiful. But I don't know, maybe the
Tonsai, yeah.
Tonsai is better.
Obviously it's beautiful here, but I'm not sure why this is so popular and Tonsai isn't, because I think the view on Tonsai was nicer. And it was way more relaxed. Here is just non-stop boats coming, and they're really loud as well, so it's like noise pollution all the time. Over there it was very rare that boats would come, right? so it wouldn't be that noisy there. Here's just really noisy. They need to sort out these motors. It's only some of the boats. Some of the boats seem to be quiet, but other ones, you can probably hear it in the background now. That boat right there. And it's really far away as well. But yeah, like I said, it's still extremely beautiful, but not quite sure why Tonsai isn't popular. I just found a silicone breast implant. Nah, I'm joking. Check, it's dead jellyfish, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like a living thing. It's like rubber.
Breast implants. I know.
It's dead already, it doesn't matter. That's so strange.
There's a smell.
It smells a bit like fish, right?
Yeah.
Interesting. I don't think I've ever held a jellyfish before. You can hear the noise now. So we're actually on West Railay Beach. There's East Railay Beach, so I think we're going to check that beach out later on. I don't think there'll be any boats going there, so it might be a bit more relaxed with no noise. Railay East. Yeah, we're heading to Railay East now. See all the nice resorts here. See why it was expensive. Looks like some pretty good accommodations. Baller. So here you got a map of the place. We were there, we came over here, and now we're heading through here to get to this part. And I think later on we're gonna head down here to this other beach as well, beach hopping. So it turns out East Railay doesn't really have a proper beach, it's more like mangroves and stuff. So nobody is here at all. So we're just gonna go to another beach now called Ao Phra Nang Beach, which is supposed to be one of the nicest beaches in Krabi. Some people consider it to be the nicest, so I'm not sure how long it'll take. What have we got here, Carol? Here we have Penis Shrine. No idea what that's about. What the hell? Why is there all these penises?
People want to get married.
People want to get married. So far in my other videos, you've seen like I've been going to relaxed spots with not many people. So this will give you an idea of how it looks when you go to the tourist spots where everyone goes. A lot more busy. It's because this beach is included in the 4-island tour. So that's why it's so busy here. Everybody doing that tour comes here. See down there, just full of people as well. Looks beautiful though. Nobody here, Carol. Everybody just wants to hang around the penis. Nobody wants the nature, just penis. So we're just stopping for some lunch here. I've seen food trucks before, but I've never seen food boats, and there's quite a few of them. So Carol's getting this chicken steak with French fries, just over $3. And I'm getting fried rice and vegetable, just under $3. You ever seen a food boat before? No.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's cool. Check it out, huge portion once again. Yours looks pretty big as well, Carol. And there's my banana shake. Really delicious once again as well, like the soy sauce, really tasty.
In the summer, you are my only one. Just dancing, having fun. Out in the shining sun of the summer, Do love me, do love me, do. Do love me, do love me, do. I love you. Do love me, do love me, do. Do love me, do love no one else but you. Feel like summertime. You took this heart of mine. You be my Valentine in the summer. In the summer.
Come back to Tonsai Beach now. We were back on Railay Beach. We spent another hour or two there. It was really relaxing this time. Like barely any boats passing by. Pretty amazing place. To be honest, all these places are awesome. All three of the beaches that we went to, they're all amazing in their own way. Just beautiful scenery. And yeah, if you have the time, I'd recommend that you try and visit all three. Yeah, if you go from Tonsai straight to Ao Phra Nang Beach, it probably only take you like 40 minutes or something to walk, so it's not far at all. You could easily just come here on a day trip, visit all three, and then head back in the afternoon. So yeah, I definitely recommend that. And it's just been great, like relaxing all along here these last few days. So yeah, it's just been a really awesome start to Thailand. Ready to party?
Oh yeah.
It's nighttime now. We're gonna be heading to the main part here. Probably get some dinner and maybe even go to a bar, get some drinks. So we come to some really cool chill spot to have some dinner. You can see here you just like lie down. Looks really cool as well. See here you got like these hanging chairs. Playing Bob Marley. And then here more places to sit, hammock. Carol got herself some chicken soup. How much is that?
100 baht.
100, like $3. And I just got this big feast here. I think it's like $5. So I got fish, boiled potato, I think, rice, vegetables, no idea, and more vegetables. That's a lot of food, right, Carol?
Yeah.
Funky bar. Alright, Carol, what we got?
Pina colada.
Pina colada. Like $5, right? I got this big bottle of Chang beer. $3. We got a serious pool game going on right here. Pretty funny table, all patched up.
How longer?
Going to close the vlog out now. That was a nice ending to, yeah, pretty awesome day. Pretty unexpected. I didn't expect to find a place like that laid back and stuff to drink. It's pretty cool vibe there. And tomorrow we're gonna still kind of be here, but I'm not gonna bother filming or anything. We're just gonna chill out, no technology day. And I think next we're probably gonna do stuff around Ao Nang, not beaches. Everything so far has been beaches, but I think we're gonna visit some temples, like some cool pools, stuff like that. So hopefully that's what's gonna come up next if the weather's good, so stick around for that. As always, just drop a like on the video to support me, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.